Fully functional dual-zone air conditioning and climate control educational trainer. Includes a dual-zone air conditioning system, an auxiliary diesel heating unit, and an electronic climate control system based on Audi VW OEM components. This trainer is engineered to demonstrate the operation modes of modern air conditioning systems, facilitate hands-on learning, and enable detailed diagnostic and troubleshooting exercises using OBD diagnostic tools and other specialized equipment. Plug-and-play design for quick start and use. This training stand features a fully functional 2C climatronic system using R1234YF refrigerant, providing independent temperature control for driver and passenger zones. The stand supports comprehensive diagnostics with an OBD 16-pin connector for ECU identification, fault code management, and live data monitoring. A built-in fault code simulator allows instructors to induce over 15 system faults for hands-on troubleshooting practice. It includes an integrated auxiliary heater to demonstrate heating functions and their interaction with the climate control system. Key educational components such as the HVAC compressor, electromagnetic valve, mixing unit, airflow flaps, and refrigerant pressure gauges are exposed for detailed study. To learn more, visit our website or contact our team.